Example 1.1 in our question is, from a point on the ground, the top of a tree is seen to have an angle of elevation 60 degree. The distance between the tree and a point is 50 meter. Then calculate the height of a tree. First let us consider, this is ground and this is tree. You consider, okay, sorry, my tree is very bad, okay, don't laugh, okay. So this is tree, okay. Now, so here this is a point. So from a point on the ground, the top of a tree is seen. So to have an angle of elevation is theta equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then the distance between the tree and point is, the distance between the tree and point is what? D equal to 50 meter. 50 meter. Then calculate the height of the tree. This is the height of the tree. That is indicated H. Okay, how will you calculate? You are using the triangulation method. So the triangulation method formula is tan theta equal to what? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta. So here that is meaning what? Opposite divided by adjacent side. So tan theta equal to opposite side, which one, which quantity are having? Height. So here tan theta equal to h divided by adjacent side is d. So I want to calculate it. H means this equation become like this. So d moving that side, so d into tan theta. So here h equal to, d value is what? 50, and tan theta value what? 60 degree. So tan 60 degree. And now h equal to 50 into tan 60 degree value what pa? Root 3. Then h equal to 50 into root 3 constant value is 1.732. So if you multiply these value, finally we will get the result as h equal to 86.6 meter. So this is the value of height is 86.6 meter. So here height of the tree is 86.6 meter. Thank you. Okay, next problem is example 1.2. The problem is, the moon subtends an angle of 1 degree 55 minutes at basis line equal to the diameter of the earth. So what is the distance of the moon from the earth? So here radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. First let us consider, this is our earth, and this is our moon. So here this place one person stand and see the moon. Here the person stand and see the moon. So this make an angle as theta. So the theta value is 1 degree 55 minutes. So this angle is equal to the diameter of the earth. So this is the diameter of the earth. Diameter of the earth is d, that is how many radius? 2 radius there, isn't it? So diameter is equal to 2r. So here the angle is equal to the diameter, that is theta equal to diameter. So the theta value is 1 degree 55 minutes. 1 degree 55 minutes equal to diameter is nothing but 2r. 2r. So here r is nothing but radius of earth. So this value already given in this problem itself. So the value is 2 into r value what? 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. If you multiply this value, finally we will get the result as 12.8 into 10 power 6 meter. So this is diameter value. Next, in this side, the angle is 1 degree 55 minutes, cannot be calculated directly because the power differently having. So here degree, here minutes. So first you should convert the same unit. So here 1 degree equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, so here 60 minutes plus 55 minutes. So totally 115 minutes. So 1 degree 55 minutes is equal to what? 115 minutes. Next, we will convert the standard unit because the theta unit is radian, isn't it? So here 1 minute 1 minute is equal to how many radian? 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. So here 115 minutes, how much radian? So here just you have to multiply 115 into this value. So 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. So if this multiply this value, finally we will get the result as 3.34 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Sorry, radian. Okay, this is theta value. This is theta value. This is d value, diameter value. So in our question is, what is the distance of the moon from the earth? So this is the distance. So the distance is x. So how will you calculate? You are using the parallax method. So the parallax method formula is theta equal to, parallax method formula, theta equal to what? Diameter d divided by x. So I want to calculate a distance x only. So this equation become like this: x equal to d divided by theta. So here x equal to d value what pa? 12.8 into 10 power 6 meter divided by theta value what? So here theta value is 3.34 into 10 power minus 2 radian. So if you multiply it and divide this value, finally we will get the result as x equal to 3.83 into 10 power 8. So this is the x is nothing but distance, the unit is meter. So this is the distance from moon and earth value is 3.83 into 10 power 8 meter. Thank you. Next, the example is 1.3. The question is, a radar signal is beamed towards a planet and its echo is received 7 minutes later. So let us consider, this is radar Okay, this is planet. So here the radar signal is beam towards this is signal, so the beam towards the planet, and its echo is received 7 minutes later. So here t equal to how many minutes? 7 minutes. So here the 7 minutes can be written in terms of second. So 1 minute equal to how many second? 60 second. So 7 minutes means just you have to multiply 7 into 60 seconds. So this is t value. So t equal to 7 into 60 second. Next, if the distance between the planet and earth, so this is planet, this is the earth. Okay, the distance is what? T equal to 6.3 into 10 power 8 meter. So in our question is calculate the speed of the signal. So what is the formula of speed? Speed formula is, sorry, so here I am writing speed formula is speed equal to distance per time. So here number of distance traveled is 2 because he is sending and then receiving. So number of time the distance traveled is 2. So I am putting 2. Up 2 times distance traveled by time taken. So here substitute this value 2 into distance value what? 6.3 into 10 power 8 meter per time. Time is 7 into 60 second. Okay, if you multiply and divide, we will getting the value is 3 into 10 power 8. The unit is meter per second. Meter per second. So this is speed. So question is what? So the speed of the signal travel is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Thank you.